Document AI is a feature in Knowi that allows you to upload files and ask any questions of your data to receive quick and precise answers. First, go to AI and then Chat with Documents. And then select New File. And here you can drag and drop any documents into the platform. They can be a range of formats and up to 100 megabytes in size each. You can also import directly from Google Drive and DocuSign, which we've made separate videos for. So you'll see all the documents that you've uploaded on the left-hand side here. When you ask questions of the AI agent, you can toggle any of these documents off if you want to make your search more targeted, but I'll keep them all on for now. The small language model will only search within the documents that you've uploaded yourself, so this data will never leave Knowi. So I've got a bunch of Knowi technical documentation that I've uploaded, so I'll ask, how do you create a dashboard using Knowi? Now I'll ask a question of the documents that I've just uploaded, of these invoices here, and this time I'll make my question more targeted to just these invoices. So I'll toggle those on and everything else is off. So we've got a value here, and you can click sources to see which documents the chatbot read through. So you'll see that on invoice 3, the issue date was October 2025, and the total was 15,318. You can also create a data set with your documents. So select Create Data Source, and then give your data source a name. We'll see that connection successful, so we'll go ahead and save. And then we can start querying. So change the mode to get data from documents, and then select what file name you want to filter on. And I'll just create a data set with those invoices that I've uploaded. The details depth is how much information we want to pull out. So a good range is usually between 5 and 10. So I'll go with 10. And then you can ask a question of your data. What is the invoice total and due date? And then we'll specify which fields we'll want our data set to have. And I'll preview that to see what we get here. And see, we've got a data set now with the total invoice and the due date for each invoice. And just like any other data set in Knowi, now you can apply additional functions to this data set, Cloud9 QL transformations, you can set the data strategy, and you can join it to another data source.